Hello students, hello. Today here I am teaching some examples year 2026. Okay, आता जी शिफ्ट झाली मध्ये आता त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स काही आहेत. y is equals to under root of cos of x square plus under root of cos of x square plus under root of cos of x square plus continuing the process. First we know that shortcut. If y is equals to under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus continuing the process, then shortcut. Yes, we know that shortcut dy upon dx is equals to, if this is f of x, then f dash of x upon 2y minus 1. But here dy by dx is equals to f of x, already notation given. Therefore see g of x or h of x, any notation, g of x etc. Then by shortcut y is equals to under root of say g of x, then here we get dy upon dx is equals to, yes, g dash of x whole divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, but here given dy upon dx is equals to f of x upon 2y minus 1. Okay, this is given thing, this is given. Then comparing this with dy by dx is equals to g dash of x upon 2y minus 1. Therefore here we get f of x is equals to g dash of x. Yes, f of x is equals to g dash of x. Question, integration of f of x dx is equals to, therefore next part integrating we get, therefore integration of f of x dx is equals to, integrating we get integration of f of x dx is equals to integration and derivative. Yes, both are. Here we know that integration is the inverse process of derivative. Therefore here we get g of x. Okay, therefore here g of x is equals to, yes, g of x is equals to cos of x square, cos of x square, cos of x square. म्हणजे orally solve करू शकतो आपण. Therefore here option, yes, C option. Okay, option C. Then next example number 2, function given log of tan x dx, integration range from 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx is equals to, here steps are, first here answer 0, we get answer 0 answer. Okay, integration range from 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x into dx is equals to question. Okay, using property integration range from 0 to a property, 0 to a log of tan of a minus x, here a is equals to pi by 2 minus x. Orally here we get answer log of tan of pi by 2 minus x cot x. Then adding 1 and 2, that is log of tan x plus log of cot x into dx. Tan is a reciprocal of cot. Yes, therefore into tan, and cot means 1 upon tan cancel, we get log 1. Log 1 equals to 0, and therefore integration of 0 is equals to 0. म्हणजे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट आन्सर लक्षात ठेवलं तरी चालेल. Or integration range from 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx. Okay, log of cot x dx equals to answer 0. ह्याचंही आन्सर काय येतं तर 0च येतं. Then next example, integration of 4x square cot inverse of x cube whole divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 given here, 1 plus x raised to 6 into dx. हे आता आपल्याला 16 एप्रिलच्या शिफ्टला होतं. हे 2022 चं एक्झाम्पल आहे. ओके, here steps are as follows. First, let I is equals to integration of 4x square into cot inverse of x cube whole divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 into dx. Step number 1, substitution. Put x cube is equals to t. Here x square derivative exists. Step number 1, put x cube is equals to t. Then differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Yes, therefore here we get 3x square into dx is equals to dt. Okay, then next step is we get I is equals to integration of, here x square dx given, x square dx is equals to 1 by 3 dt. Yes, 1 by 3 dt, 1 by 3 into dt. 4 ॲज इट इज, इथे आपण 4 घेऊन टाकू 4. ओके, 4 अपॉन 3 एक्स स्क्वेअर dx इज इक्वल्स टू 1/3 इंटू dt. 4 as it is. Then next cot inverse of put x cube is equals to t whole divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. X raised to 6 adjustment x raised to 3. Yes, x raised to 3 into 2. 3 into 2 6. Okay, put x cube is equals to t square. Okay, then next part again substitution. Then next step is put cot inverse of t is equals to theta. Then differentiating with respect to t, we get derivative of cot inverse of t is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Okay, into dt is equals to d theta, differentiating with respect to t. Therefore I is equals to integration of 4/3 as it is. Okay, cot inverse of t is equals to theta, and 1 upon 1 plus t square dt is equals to minus d theta, minus in the right becomes here minus, multiplying both the sides by minus. Here we get minus into minus plus, and here we get minus d theta. Okay, then next step is minus 4/3 as it is. Yes, minus 4/3 integration of theta square upon 2 plus c. Therefore I is equals to minus dividing by 2, we get minus 2/3. Put theta, 1 minute, theta is equals to cot inverse of t. Okay, cot inverse of t, using cot inverse here. Yes, and put t is equals to t is equals to x cube. Okay, x cube whole bracket raised to 2 plus c. ओके, ऑप्शन आता इथे ऑप्शन्स नाही लिहिले मी, ऑप्शन येतो याच्याप्रमाणे इथे दिलेला आहे -2/3 कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स क्यूब होल ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस सी. ऑप्शन बी येतो. आपण इथे नाही वेळ जातो म्हणून मी ऑप्शन्स घेतलेले नाही आहेत. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, 1 मिनिट, नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1 मिनिट 4. ओके, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4. If y is equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, then dy upon dx is equals to, very easy example. Yes, we know that expression and substitution chart. Okay, derivative topic, derivative y is equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, substitution, put x is equals to sin theta. Yes, therefore here we get y is equals to sin inverse of, in bracket put x is equals to sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Yes, is equals to, y is equals to, we know that this is a formula of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is a formula of sin 3 theta. Yes, therefore y is equals to sin inverse of sin 3 theta by property 3 theta. But theta, this is our supposition. Put theta is equals to sin inverse of x. Put theta is equals to sin inverse of x. Therefore here we get dy upon dx is equals to, differentiating both the sides with respect to x, 3 as it is, derivative of sin inverse of x, 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Yes, this is our required answer. Then next example, integration range from 3 to 5 modulus of x minus 4 into dx is equals to. Example, steps are as follows. First, here modulus of x minus 4, say modulus of x minus a. Okay, then x minus a equate with 0, therefore x is equals to a. Okay, then mod x minus a possibilities are greater than or equals to a and less than or equals to a. Okay, x minus a first equate with 0, therefore x is equals to a. Then possibilities are here x is greater than or equals to a and x is less than a. Okay, greater than or equals to a. For example, x is equals to greater than a, 2a. For example, 2a. 2a minus a, positive or negative? Positive. Therefore, when x is greater than a, then we get positive possibility. X equals to a minus a, 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Yes, and x is less than a. Less than a, suppose a by 2. A by 2. A upon 2 minus a. A upon 2. For example, a upon 2 minus a. Cross multiplication. A minus 2a upon 2 minus 2a plus a minus a by 2, that is negative. Therefore, here when x is less than a, then we get minus in bracket x minus a. Most MP for topic limits, continuity, integration, definite integration. Okay, then here steps are here 4 in place of a 4. This most important point. Okay, let I is equals to integration range from 3 to 5 modulus of x minus 4 into dx. Then steps are here x is greater than or equals to 4 and less than 4. Therefore, here integration range from 3 to 4, correct? 3 to 4 and then 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 3 to 4. Put x is equals to 3. 3 or 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 point something, but less than 4. Okay. Then suppose 3 or 3.1. 3 minus 4, we get negative possibility. Therefore, minus in bracket x minus 4 into dx. Then integration range from 4 to 5 greater than here 4 to 5. Then 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, but greater than 4. 4.1 minus 4, positive. 0.1, positive. Therefore, here positive possibility. Okay, into dx. Then next part, solving this we get I is equals to integration range from 3 to 4 minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus 4. 4 minus x dx plus integration range from 4 to 5 x minus 4 into dx. Then next part integration. Integration of 4. 4 into 1 integration x. X integration x square upon 2. Yes, to the range 3 to 4 plus integration of x square upon 2 minus 4 integration 4 into 1 integration of 1 x to the range 4 to 5. Then upper minus lower. Okay. Then put x is equals to 4. 4 into 4, 16. Put x is equals to 4. 4 square, 16. 16 upon 2, 8. Upper minus lower. Put x is equals to 3. 4 into 3, 12. Minus. Put x is equals to 3. 3 square, 9. 9 by 2. Okay. First part. Next. plus upper minus lower. Put x is equals to 5. 5 square, 25 upon 2. 5 into 4, 20. Upper minus lower. Put x is equals to 4. 4 square, 16. 16 upon 2, we get 8. Okay. Minus upper minus lower. Put x is equals to 4. 4 into 4, 16. Therefore, solving this we get 16 minus 8, 8. Minus 12, minus into minus plus 9 by 2, plus 25 upon 2, plus into minus minus 20. Okay, here we get minus 8, minus into minus plus 8. Okay, therefore, here we get, yes, total value is equals to, solving this, we get, yes, answer is equals to, yes, 9 by 2 plus 20 by 2 first addition and then solving first and last part. Here we get value is equals to 1. Okay. ह्याचा आन्सर आपल्याला किती मिळतं? आन्सर is equals to 1. इथे व्हॅल्यू मिळते 1. Here 34 by 2, 17. Okay. 16 first part येतो. त्यामुळे ती व्हॅल्यू येते minus 16 plus 17. This much part and this much part is equals to minus 16 plus 17 equals to plus 1. Then next example, Number 6, integration range from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to nth power of x whole divided by sin raised to nth power of x plus cos raised to nth power of x dx is equals to, and one more example, 17th April shift 1. Okay, next example, integration range from 0 to pi by 2 sin x whole divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, here in place of n, say here power 100 power, okay, 4 4 4 3 3 3, by shortcut method here we get answer. We know that shortcut integration range from 0 to a f of x whole divided by f of x plus f of a minus x, upper limit minus x into dx is equals to upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, that is a by 2. Okay, here sin x cos 90 minus x sin 90 minus x cos x sin 90 minus x cos x. Okay, and then this is equation number 1. Then using property, then we get equation number 2, adding 1 and 2. Okay, then we get here by shortcut, yes, by shortcut method answer, upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2 upon 2, answer pi by 4. Therefore, similarly here also we get answer pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4. Using shortcut, yes, shortcut. Then next example, binomial distribution. Next example number 8. Topic binomial distribution. N is equals to 10, P is equals to 0.4. Question, find variance. Okay, find variance. Variance is equals to, आणि कोणाला एक्झाम्पल्स PYQs पाहिजे असतील तर माझे लेक्चर्स आधीचे बघा, त्याच्यात तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल्स मिळतील. ओके, बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. n is equals to 10. We know that n comma p parameters, n is equals to 10 total, here 10, p means success 0.4. Therefore first here we have to find out q. We know that p plus q sum is equals to 1, p plus q is equals to 1, success plus failure is equals to 1. Okay, therefore q is equals to 1 minus p is equals to, yes, we get q is equals to 0.6. Yes, correct. This is value of q. N, p, q, all are known values. Then we know that variance formula, variance of x is equals to npq. Okay, and mean is equals to np, and standard deviation equals to under root of npq. Put n is equals to 10, p, yes, 0.4, and q is equals to 0.6. Therefore we get 10 into 4 by 10 into 6 by 10. Okay, here we get 6 into 4, 24 upon 10, that is 2.4. Okay, answer 2.4. Orally here we get value. Then next example number 9. Okay, example number 9. If a is equals to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, and last row and last column 0 0 1, where capital, here given A21, capital A22, capital A23 are cofactors. Okay, are cofactors of elements A21, yes, A22 and A23. These are called cofactors. Okay, respectively. Then question the value repeated value of A21, capital A21, small a21 into capital A21, small a22 into capital A22 plus small a23 into capital A23 is equals to dash dash. First we know that shortcut sum of products of elements of any row or any column with their cofactors, then its value is equals to determinant of A. Okay, this is our shortcut. Using shortcut, we get its value is equals to determinant of A. Then determinant of A is equals to, here last row 0 0 1, last column also 0 0, and here 1. Then let us consider 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2, and find out cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, its determinant value. Okay, therefore cross multiplication, after cross, cos into cos square theta, middle sign always minus sin into sin, minus sin square, minus into minus plus. Therefore here we get determinant value is equals to 1. Okay, and suppose question, find its inverse. Suppose तुम्हाला असा प्रश्न विचारला की find out its inverse, then easy method, suppose question, find A inverse. A inverse is equals to, we know that 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A is equals to 1. Therefore 1 upon 1 1. Okay, and then find out adjoint जो आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करतो ना, तो 2 by 2 चाच कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. लास्ट रो लास्ट कॉलम as it is. Here we know that how to find adjoint, interchanging place of diagonal elements, but diagonal elements are same. Here cos and here also cos. Non-diagonal, number as it is, and sign opposite. Number as it is here sign, and here also sign, and opposite of minus plus, and here minus. This is inverse. Okay, तुम्हाला जर ह्याचे PYQs पाहिजे असतील तर माझे प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर जे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला शॉर्टकट्स विथ एक्झाम्पल्स मिळून जाईल. ओके